Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad, 10th class, trigonometry. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Observe carefully, we need to get secant theta minus tan theta in the denominator and 1 in the numerator. Reference is here, solution LHS. This one is here, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. This is equal to, we know that sin theta by cos theta is tan theta and 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So this sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta minus cos theta and cos theta are cancelled, so it becomes 1 plus 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta by, here also sin theta by cos theta is tan theta plus cos theta and cos theta are cancelled, so we have 1 here minus 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta, so here we have secant theta. Multiply numerator and denominator by tan theta plus 1 plus secant theta. Observe carefully, here we have negative sign for 1 and here we have negative sign for secant theta. But here we take all positives. That is equal to tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta into tan theta plus 1 plus secant theta by tan theta plus 1 plus secant theta. Now we write negative term in the last, so minus 1 here, and here also negative term in the last. That is equal to tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta into, here also we write this one at the last. So tan theta plus secant theta plus 1 by, here we have negative sign for secant theta, so we write secant theta at the last, tan theta plus 1 plus secant theta. Now this is equal to, from here to here this is A minus B into A plus B. Here also A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So tan theta plus secant theta whole square minus 1 whole square by, here A minus B into A plus B. So that is equal to A square minus B square. Here A is tan theta plus 1 whole square minus B is secant theta, so secant theta whole square. Now this is in the form of A plus B whole square, that is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now this becomes tan square theta plus secant square theta plus formula 2 into tan theta into secant theta. This minus is here and 1 square is 1 by, here we have tan theta plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square again. So that is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is A, this is B. Tan square theta plus 1 square is 1 plus formula 2 into tan theta into 1 is tan theta. This minus is here. Secant theta whole square is secant square theta. That is equal to tan square theta as it is. We know that secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Here we have the formula. Plus 2 tan theta secant theta as it is. And here tan square theta plus 1 becomes secant square theta. Here we have the formula. Plus 2 tan theta minus secant square theta. In the next step, tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta secant theta by, these two are cancelled. So 2 tan theta will be in the denominator. That is equal to 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta secant theta by 2 tan theta. From the numerator, 2 tan theta is common. 2 tan square theta by 2 tan theta is tan theta plus 2 tan theta secant theta by 2 tan theta is secant theta by 2 tan theta. Here we have into, so we can cancel these two. 2 tan theta and 2 tan theta are cancelled. Now tan theta plus secant theta remains. Tan theta plus secant theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta. Now multiply and divide by secant theta minus tan theta. Since we need secant theta minus tan theta in the denominator in the RHS, so we write secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So a is secant theta and b is tan theta. So that becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta by, here we have 1 in the denominator. 1 into secant theta minus tan theta is nothing but secant theta minus tan theta. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we write 1 in place of secant square theta minus tan square theta by secant theta minus tan theta. That is equal to RHS proved.
Thank you. Please subscribe.